And we continue. And here we have Impetuous. Panda. It's for sale. No price. You have to ask. Probably can't afford it. Built in 2003. It's for sale. Let's put the spotlight right there. And if you pull on that, it's a $1,000 fine and a felony. If you pull the pin to activate it. Check out that living space. No price.
They're afraid to put it in the water.
Yeah, it's really nice. Guys, let's have a riddle here. A question: how many speakers can you count facing backward? How many speakers can you count? It's a nightclub. Insane. Yeah, there's just no limit to the size of some of these yachts. That one is countless. Montego Bay, that's its home. Alora is for sale. Kingstown. That's Jamaica, I believe. Really nice. Let's continue. Status quo. Yeah, this one is see the big boys right here. This thing is humongous.
Like other world. Am I ever do something?
And Dreamer could be yours for $9 million. Just $9 million, guys.
I'm in sales still.
I doubt if the price of this one will be listed. It's just too huge. And this is Alpha, the creek. This is literally a hotel. And you can see they have a prospect on board.
Oh no.
Are you waiting for him?
Oh yeah, 67 million euros. Definitely for the big boys.
If you'd like to sit on board and have some music.
2.3.
Can I give her balls kind of close?
I'd be worried climbing up this thing to get to the top. And this is amazing. The 4 jacks, it looks quite impressive, but it's just $13 million compared to the one we just saw over there, which was much more expensive. Take a look. Quantum of Solace. That's like the Bond movie.
Somebody really wants to know the truth at the phone.
No, Matt was dead. I know that. Stay out.
I'm just gonna like buy some fenders inside.
Gulfstream. Wow, this is from Benelli to the left. Oh, yeah. Millionaires can buy these. This is the $1 billion club. Yeah. Billionaires only, not millionaires. KLX. Yeah, guys. I think this is actually like for sovereigns. Like countries can buy these, not individuals. Wonder how long this is. No price.
Okay, the second one has
Devil's Tongue 7 and 10.
This is the arrow. Yeah, this is another huge one. Nice little tender. Flying change from Palm Beach. Memorialize the moment before I go in.
I worded that right? Yeah, exactly. Actually, we're using it.
And from here you can have a different perspective. Over there is quite busy. They're heading out for demo rides. I am having focus issues. Right, let's turn around here. Some of the seaside residences. Let's start heading back.
So I got a try, so I was thinking, okay, the double's $15.
Yeah.
You know, and I get a cup, and I get
I hope the brother seals the deal, man. That would be awesome.
We don't want to mess up the video, dude.
pictures of you. Can I forget your name for my family? Take it easy. And he took some pictures for the newspaper. He's just getting their names now. The couple that's there. Risk and rewards. Sounds like the boat a player would buy.
Let's go see the sunset.
8.4 million. Born to Run. For sale. Let's check out the prices. Checkers.
Gotta have like 30 to 40 meters.
No price, no price.
I like this one. Die erste ist es dann so die meisten brauchen dann nochmal so 2 Sessions.
I see why you like it, but
Their opinion, and then I don't try.
Queen bee. There's a big party going on over there. Here we have the 21 Sea Sands. Rendezvous.
Don't too much.
goodness. That looks like an Augusta Westland helicopter. And here you have the Rolls-Royce. That should be a Phantom. And this should be, is it the Bentayga? I'm not sure. Wow. Alright guys, this was derived from the Airwolf. And this is the real deal. Look at the blades. Wow. Really, really cool. And I think the company that originally was making this out of Italy, I think it was sold. I don't know what the deal is, who the owner is right now. But it's a very popular helicopter for offshore operations, VIP transport, executive transport. See the tail right there. With 4 blades, it should be really quiet. Has a CAA stamp over there, so I don't know, probably from Canada, but it has an N number, which is registration in the United States. And here on the left you have Starship. If you look towards the top, those are all LED lights. Starship. Oh, the Rolls-Royce I believe is the Cullinan. Then Bentley has the Bentayga. And there you have the tailgate, the party configuration. Lamb's wool. Live music over there.
They have to, right?
Triple Yamahas.
Just ice cream like that.
For me, I can still, I wouldn't tie them both.
And car technology has evolved so much over the past couple of years. So one distinguishing feature that you can see right there is the radar detector in front of the car. So even mid-range cars now have it, and that's what allows the car to have the adaptive cruise control. You can also see there's a camera somewhere right there, if I can get this to focus. Right there. Come on. Yep, that's a camera right there. And you have the option to make the Spirit of Ecstasy drop into the hood, or you can leave it exposed. I don't think I need to take off my shoes to get on here, so let's go take a look inside. Hello.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Good. So what do we have here today? That's the Cullinan, right?
This is a Ghost.
Oh, this is a Ghost, not the Phantom.
No, that's a Ghost. Correct.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
2023 for both, right?
Yes.
Can I take a look?
Yeah, of course.
So you guys see how the doors open. This one opens forward, and there you have the suicide door. This is the Ghost. I think it's the smaller. The Phantom will be bigger than this and taller also. In the interior, you guys can see has the trim right here, leather trim. It looks gorgeous. It's really beautiful. can see the door, and all of this is actual chrome. It's not plastic that looks like chrome. It's actual chrome. And you can see the door, how thick it is for the sound deadening. Just so much attention to detail, guys. Even there, normally most automakers will neglect that area where you have the door attached. But here you can see how everything is designed. There you have the doors, electric controls for the seat, electric controls for the seat, and you have some memory controls here on the door, 2 memory positions, and adjustments for the seat. And of course you have your umbrella right here. Additional controls inside. A beautiful place to be, guys. Just look at how thick this seat is. And there you can push the seat forward. Air vents. Make this wider so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. And it smells just so luxurious in here, guys.
Yes.
And we're going around. Show you what we are working with. So just to show you how thick the doors are. Coat hanger right there. Having some focus issues. I don't know what's going on. So there you have the radar detector that's disguised a little bit, but it's right there. And then you have the camera, and of course you have the Spirit of Ecstasy, fully retractable. This is just such a beautiful paint. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's metallic. Gorgeous headlights, the Rolls-Royce logo. Amazing car. And this one is going for, engine is from Germany, transmission from Germany. $467,000 for this one, guys. Let's take a look inside. That's such a rare color. A very unique color. But I wonder how this will hold with time though. It looks like it can stain very easily. But it's very personalized, so you make it yours. And you can buy a Rolls-Royce battery conditioner to keep your battery in tip-top shape if you're not going to be driving this daily. Have the seats, make it retract. Yeah, the definition of luxury, guys. Coat hanger, grab handle, tons and tons of leg room. Climate control. So where can we find you guys? Are you like the Rolls Royce dealership here?
Okeechobee, yes, sir.
Okeechobee. Okay, thank you very much,
You're
sir.
welcome. Thanks for stopping by.
Okay.
He owns that. I was gonna say that's. What does he do? He's so fun.
So this is a Sikorsky actually S76. Carries up to 8 passengers. Travels at 155 knots. 2 hours 30 minutes endurance. And a range of about 555 kilometers or 300 nautical miles. And this is being offered by FlexJet. Wait for a few people to drop down, then we go take a closer look. You want one?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go take a look. The lady wants a helicopter. Hello guys. Good. Quick question. Does FlexJet offer helicopter services in Florida?
Yeah, this one's based in Miami.
And it goes to the Caribbean and back?
Yeah, depends on where you want to go. Yeah, we can try.
Okay, cool. And of course, you still have your the aircraft.
Yeah, we have 230.
Okay. Yeah, it's the best option, you know. Instead of owning it personally. Awesome. And awesome. Thanks a lot, sir. Yeah, so this is a very, very. Let me step back.
Even on the
You guys have in here? And you guys can see.
Yeah, sure, let's do it. You don't have much?
Inside, you guys can see the seating, leather. It's very spacious. And then you have the partition from the pilots. That way you can have your meeting here quietly. Very, very beautifully appointed inside. Great. And here you have the cockpit, all glass. I don't know if you guys can see inside. It's a glass cockpit. And he says this is based out of Miami. So you can charter the helicopter out here. I do have his information, but if you look up FlexJet Miami, you should be able to get a hold of them. Let's take a look here. This is DB9.
Thank you.
And let's see how much it's going for. DB9. No price. Oh, 1.5 million. Nope. Oh. Well, I don't know. I guess it's the tender. It's back there.
trying to say. I'm like, I'm having fun, but I'm like,
I think we came this way. Wow.